would you write a prompt to create an image like this or this? If the image was generated on Leonardo, you can remix the prompts and generate your own. But what if the image was not Leonardo generated? Let's show you how to recreate this. Head to our Image Creation tab, select these prompt helpers on the right of the prompt bar, and choose Describe with AI. Upload your image and let it translate directly into a prompt, so you don't need to spend time breaking down the image yourself. Some images may vary, but now you've got a base which you can keep refining. Use this pencil button to edit your image with AI and tweak any details. Stunning and abstract. Another way to use this, tweak your uploaded image description with AI, like changing this rabbit to a fox. Describe the image to get a low poly art style, and edit the subject to a fox with orange colors. And there you go. Prompt crafted, image tailored.